Okay, so good day, grade 5. So our lesson for today is all about problem solving involving addition and subtraction of decimals. Okay, so to get or to solve the problem solving involving addition and subtraction of decimals, so we need to find or we need to answer these steps. So the what is asked, what are the given facts, the equation, and the solution. So this is or these are the steps that we need to do or kailangan natin gawin to get the answer or to solve the problem. So magbibigay ako ng example para dito, problem solving involving addition and subtraction of decimals. Okay, so example number 1 here is Margaret bought a noodles for 5 and 15 centavos. So this centavos means decimal tayo, and since may money sign tayo, so therefore centavos yung pagbabasa dito. A can of sardines for 14 and 60 centavos and a can of corned beef for 48 and 35 centavos as a part of her emergency provisions for her Girl Scout camping. So, nagka-camping siya. Now, how much did she pay for her provisions? So, to solve this problem, so we will apply the basic steps or the steps in problem solving, wherein sasagutin natin dito yung what is asked. So, yun yung una. So, number 1, what is asked. What is asked? So the what is asked or yung question here is the amount Margaret or the amount of Margaret, the amount. So this is the answer. Margaret Margaret paid for provisions. Or how much did she pay for her provisions? So the same lang din yon. Next. So we will answer the given facts or what are the given. So the number 2 question here is what are the given. So adjust lang tayo ng ating cam. What are given? So the given here in this problem is meron tayo ditong 5 and 15 pesos for noodle. So ilagay lang natin. So 5 and 15 for noodle or noodles. Then she bought 14 and 60 centavos for sardines. So meron din siyang sardinas which is cost 14 pesos and 60 centavos. So this is sardines. Next is in corned beef, the corned beef for 48 and 35 centavos. So 48 and 35 centavos corned beef. Now, since na-answeran natin yung given, we will proceed in the equation rather. So the equation here, so sa pampapel. Okay. Adjust lang natin. Yan. So the equation here, or to write the equation here, simply, sulat lang natin is 5 and 15 plus 14 and 60 plus the 48 and 35. Okay, so take note, plus yung ating ginamit na operation since the question here is how much did she pay for her provision or how much did she pay in all for her provisions. So this is the equation. So is equals to n. N meaning unknown or wala pang sagot. So therefore, we need to show the solution. So we will proceed in solution. So, para mas madali natin siya i-compute, try to solve vertically. And then, another tip is, i-arrange natin siya ng naka-align by its corresponding place value. So, mas maganda unahin if yung higher value yung unahin natin i-arrange pa-vertical. So, meron tayo ditong 48 and 35. Since ito yung given na higher, so 48 and 35. So this is 3. Then plus, so the next is yung 14 and 60. So make sure na yung decimal point din natin is naka-align. And then 5 and 15 centavos or 15 hundredths. So is equals. Now we will apply the solution or the solving. So last time may turo ko na sa inyo on how to add decimals. So 5 plus 5 or let's say mas maganda lang na i-align na lang natin kagad yung ating decimal here sa ating answer. And then therefore apply the operation. So 5 plus 5 we have here 10. So carry 1. So 3 plus 6 is equals to 9 plus 1 equals to 10 and then plus yung carry which is number 1 is equals to 11. So carry 1 ulit. So next, 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. 12 plus 5 is equals to 17 and 17 plus 1 sa carry is equals to 18. Carry 1. So 4 plus 1 is equals to 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. So therefore, Margaret paid 68 and 10 centavos for her provisions. So ito na yung ating final answer. So don't forget to box or to encircle your final answer. So yon, example number 1. Okay, so example number 2. So Javier jogged 5 and 885,000 kilometer on Monday. So nagjogging daw itong si Javier. And then he jogged 7 and 2700 kilometers on Tuesday. So the question here is how much more did he jog on Tuesday than on Monday? So ilan daw yung nilamang nung ginaging niya nung Tuesday kaysa kay Monday. So to solve this, we need to apply or we need to follow the steps in problem solving. So first is yung what is asked. What is asked? Okay. So the question here is how much more did he jog on Tuesday than on Monday? Or let's just say the difference. So the difference, so yung pinagkaiba daw of distance. So distance since kilometers. Javier jogged on Tuesday and Monday. So on Tuesday and Monday. So ito yung hinahanap na question. So next is we will write or we will list down the given facts or what are the given. So what are the given? So the given facts here is Javier jogged 5 and 885 thousandths kilometer. And then he jogged another 7 and 27 kilometers. So this is for Monday, and then this is for Tuesday. Okay, so to solve this, we need to analyze the problem. So therefore, since ang hinahanap natin dito is the difference, so difference meaning magsusubtract tayo. So therefore, subtraction yung ating operation here. So to rewrite the equation, so number 3, so equation tayo. So mag-a-adjust lang ako. Okay, so equation. So therefore, we need to subtract. So 7 and 27 minus 5 or subtracted by 5 and 885 is equals to n. So n meaning unknown. So next is we need to show the solution or apply the solution. So adjust tayo. Yan. Okay. So number 4, solution. So tips, i-arrange natin ulit siya vertically. Make sure that the decimal point is well aligned and their corresponding place value. So first, 7 and 27, and then subtract by the 5 and 885 thousandths. Another tip, since para hindi tayo mahirapan mag-subtract, so to complete the place value, we will add 0 as a placeholder. So yan. So 0 minus 5 is cannot be, so therefore we'll need to borrow kay number 7 or sa kalapit niyang digit. So number 7 will become 6 and 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 5, so equals to 5. So pwede na natin siya masubtract. Next. So 6 minus 8 is cannot be, so therefore we need to borrow sa katabi niyang digit wherein sa 2. So therefore 2 will become 1 and then 6 will become 16. So 16 minus 8 is equals to 8. And then yung 1 minus 8 cannot be, so therefore hiram ulit tayo or borrow. This will become 6 and then we have here 11. So 11 minus 8, we have here 3. And then simply align the decimal point. So i-align na natin siya. So 6 minus 5, we have here 1. So therefore, this is your final answer. Or let's say Javier jogged 1 and 385 kilometers more on Tuesday than Monday. So yun lang. So on how to solve problem solving involving addition and subtraction of decimals. So yun lang grade 5. Goodbye.